It's Cooking with Kevin again this week. So, something really simple, but hopefully it'll work out better than last week's recipe. We ran across a packet called Crockpot. Okay, the original slow cooker. It's our savory herb chicken. So what do you need to make this? So 2 pounds of, well, it says red potatoes, so any potatoes. Okay, a pack of baby carrots. We didn't use baby, we used normal carrots.
We just used what we had in the house.
Yeah. A medium onion. We don't have mushrooms, so we can get mushrooms. We didn't have whole tomatoes. We got diced, which is fine. 2.5 pounds of bone-in chicken parts. We're using chicken thighs. And 1 package of the Crockpot Savory Herb Chicken Seasoning Mix and 3/4 cups water, which to mix it together. So it's not really difficult. Pretty straightforward. We're just going to put all the veggies in the bottom here. Onions. Tomatoes. We're gonna put all the chicken on top.
You always make a mess stirring.
Yeah. Just pour that on top. And we put that on high for 4 to 5 hours. And hopefully within 4 to 5 hours, we're going to have a good product.
And you have a couple pieces of chicken reserved. Why?
Yes, for Brody. Brody loves this chicken.
So we're just going to bake it with nothing on it.
So we had, we went out the other day for lunch. Chicken, Kelly had some left over in whole. Cleaned up, and Brody thought it was for him.
Yep.
And even after you're done, he wanted that.
Yep.
So that's it. This is going to be a very simple video.
Mm-hmm.
Once it's all done, we'll bring you back and see what it looks like, how it tastes. Maybe bug my wife a little bit. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay. Stay tuned. Okay. Supper's ready. Now this was on for quite a long time. Time we put it on, about 10:30 this morning.
Something like that.
It's now it's almost 5:30. But you know, you want it to cook. You want to make sure chicken is good. Oh.
We just weren't ready to eat.
Oh, does it smell good?
It does smell really good.
It is yum. Now I made gravy for Miss Princessing behind the camera there. She wanted gravy. Carrots are good.
Yep.
Oh, the chicken's nice and tender. It's yummy. So that's it. That's something very easy. It didn't take very long to prep.
Nope.
Mix the package together, throw it in the slow cooker, and you leave it. I think I lifted the lid maybe once or twice throughout the whole day. That was it.
I did once, just to smell it.
Yeah. So
Right.
something very easy. You can get these packages at
Any grocery store,
any
I think.
grocery store. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But I think that's something really good that you can, if you're working all day, you can, because you can cook it on low, but I recommend if you're going to do it on low, it's something you throw at, at 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning. Because I had it on high since like 10:30, 11 o'clock. So, all right, that's it. Thanks for joining us, and see you next week.